Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Working on a Hammond AO28 preamplifier out of a Hammond C3 organ, getting ready to install a Track 2 FPK-28 fuse kit. And before I do, I wanted to show you the setup for this system. I'll disconnect these two wires and reconnect them here to these two fuses, and the two brown wires here will be connected here. Then these two wires, the red wires, will go and back to here at this point, and here on this socket, and that's the 6x4 socket. And then these two brown wires will go here and connect here. All right, so 1, 2, disconnected and connect to here. These two disconnected and connect to here. These two red wires will connect to here, and these two brown wires will connect over here. And that's it. And just all I have to do is I have two holes to deal with, one and one of these here, and I'll just unscrew it from the base, the transformer there, and put them through here and then screw them back on. And that's how I'll set this fuse kit into the AO28 preamplifier. So let me go ahead and get busy with this, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like once I'm finished. Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.